How to incorporate AI into your work. List of free AI courses by Google and others. Artificial intelligence, AI, has made its way into all jobs in all sectors, whether it be health or technology or content. While many worry that AI could be stealing away their job profiles, and this may be true, with a report claiming that artificial intelligence could end up replacing the equivalent of 300 million jobs, yet, the solution may lie in not running away from AI, but incorporating it into one's work. List of courses to learn AI. Here is a list of courses offered by Google that will teach you the basics of artificial intelligence, AI, so that you can incorporate AI tools to make your work easier. Introduction to Generative AI. The course aims at explaining what generative AI is, how it is used, and how it differs from traditional machine learning methods. Introduction to Image Generation. This course introduces diffusion models, which are machine learning models that could help in image generation. The course also touches on how to implement text-to-image and real use cases for diffusion models. Create Image Captioning Models. This course focuses on usage of deep learning to create an image captioning model. It will also teach learners to create your own image captioning models and use them to generate captions for images. Introduction to Large Language Models. This course not only covers what large language models, LLM, are but also touches on the cases where they can be utilized. Introduction to Responsible AI. This course explains what responsible AI is, and its relevance. The course module also covers Google's Gen AI development tools. The course module touches on how organizations can design AI to fit their own business needs and values and how decisions made at all stages of a project have an impact on responsible AI. Other than Google, the following platforms also offer AI courses. 1. Amazon. Amazon provides free AI skills training which covers both foundational AI concepts and practical applications development such as engineering, machine learning and building generative AI applications. 2. Coursera. Coursera has a plethora of courses on AI which includes introductory courses, generative AI, machine learning, AI engineering and AI product management among others. 3. Harvard University. Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python on edX. Harvard's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence with Python course covers AI algorithms, game-playing engines, handwriting recognition, and machine translation. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel.